All right, so adding more to the problems, all right? This is a multi-step problem. Now, what I ask you to do is put together like terms on the same side first, okay? You're not always gonna have like terms on the same side, but that's what I would prefer you to do first. So, I go like this. We do have like terms on the same side of the equal sign. Not on the same side of the 10, the same side of the line. Because they're on the same side of the equal sign, all you have to do is put it together. 2x plus 3x is 5x. So those are gone. I bring this down and this down. Okay? Now, this is just a two-step problem. We get rid of plus or minus first. So we get rid of this, then we get rid of this. The inverse is negative 10, negative 10. I get 5x equals, put it in the calculator and you get 10. We're not done because x is not by itself. This is 5 times x. So the inverse is to divide. It is to divide. Remember, same side, same thing, same thing, same thing, same thing. Identical on both sides. We're keeping the equation balanced. Okay, we stop, x is by itself. Now you can see that it is the same like parts, okay, terms, but I now have them on different sides. We have to do something different. When they're on the same side, just do what it is. When they're on the opposite side, you have to do the opposite or the inverse operation. I want to put this over here to 2x, which means I have to do the inverse. To move across this line, I must do the inverse. So I have this. We are not trying to split this or trying to move the whole thing. So we're doing the opposite of the sign in front. So I do minus 3x. Whatever I do this side, I do this. The opposites cancel. I get this, put in the calculator, and I bring this down. So, two-step, minus 10, minus 10. Do the inverse. Okay, the last step, please remember, don't do plus 1. That would be a big mistake. We're doing the opposite of, so here, we're trying to split it. So we're doing the opposite of this. Here, we are not trying to split it. So I do the opposite of what is in front. We're moving the whole thing. And I get